Hi, can you hear me? Okay. Can you see me? Okay. Hi. Hello. My name is Teacher Bell. What's your name? Oh, you are Beanie. Hi, Beanie. Nice to meet you. Can you shake hands with teacher like this? Come on, shake hands with teacher like this. Okay, very good. So now, our topic for today is all about, can all birds fly? Okay, let's find out. Oh, what animals do you like, Beanie? Oh, it's a dog. So we have a dog here. Okay, so that's dog. And how about this one? What animal is this? It's a monkey. Very good. And how about this one? Rawr. It's a, yes, it's a tiger. And how about this one? What animal is that? Yes, it's a giraffe. And how about this one? The one, it's a, yes, it's an elephant. Come on, say it. Elephant. Very good. And how about this one? What animal is that? Yes, it's a cat. And how about this one? What animal is this? It's a bird. Very good, Beanie. Okay, now let's go to our next slide. Oh, let's look, look and say, can you say a magpie? A magpie. Come on. A magpie. Okay, very good. So what bird is it? It's a magpie. Very good, Beanie. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, look and say, can you say, this is a magpie? This is a magpie. Okay, very good, Beanie. And because of that, I will give you an ice cream. Do you like ice cream, Beanie? Oh, yes. Yummy ice cream. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, we have how many magpies? Okay, let's count. One. Okay, come on. One, two. Okay, we have two magpies. Come on. Two magpies. Okay, very good, Beanie. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, can you say magpies are birds? Magpies are birds. Magpies are birds. Okay, good job, Beanie. Very good. And because of that, I will give you a candy. Very sweet candy. Okay. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, let's click and find all the magpies. So let's take a look. Can you click? Where are the magpies there? Okay, click, click. Wow, very good, Vinny. One magpies. Another one. Very good. So we have two magpies. Next, we have, oh, very good. It's a three magpies and four magpies. And do we have any magpies there? Let's look. Take a look. Oh, yes, we have here. Very good, Beanie. Now, let's count all the magpies, okay? Follow teacher, okay? Okay, one, two, three, four, oops, and five. So, how many magpies are there? Yes, it's a five magpies. Very good, Winnie. And because of that, I will give you a donut. Do you like donuts, Winnie? Oh, yes, it's my favorite too. Okay. Now let's go to our next slide. Oh, let's take a look again and say magpies are birds. Come on, say it. Magpies and are birds. Magpies are birds. Very good, Beanie. And magpies can fly. Okay, say it. Magpies can fly. Fly. Okay, very good, Beanie. Okay, now let's go to our next slide. Oh, let's take a look again. What is this? What bird is this? It's a penguin. Very good, Winnie. Yes, it's a penguin. Oh, can you say it is a penguin? It is a penguin. Come on, say it again. It is a penguin. Very good, Winnie. So what bird is this again, Winnie? It is a penguin. Very good, Winnie. Okay, now let's go to our next slide. Oh, can you say this is a penguin? This is a penguin. Come on. This is a penguin. Okay, very good, Beanie. And let's go to our next slide. Oh, how many penguins are there? Okay, let's count. One penguin, two penguins. So, how many penguins are there? We have two penguins. Okay, very good, Beanie. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, can you say penguins are birds? Penguins are birds. Come on. Penguins are birds. Well, good job. Okay, can you say it again? Penguins are birds. Okay, good job. And because of that, I will give you a no, it's not a penguin. It's a star. A job well star. Job well done, star. Okay. Let's go to our next slide. Oh, Beanie, can you drag or can you find the correct penguin's wing? Okay. Is this the correct penguin's wing? Okay, Beanie, can you drag it? Drag it, drag it. Oh, are they much, Beanie? Oh no! How about this one? Can you drag it again, Beanie, with penguin swing? Is this the penguin swing? Drag it, drag it, drag it. Is this the penguin swing? Are they much? Oh no! And how about this one? Okay, drag it again, Beanie. Drag it, drag. Oh, are they much? Yes, they are much. So that is the correct penguin swing. Very good, Beanie. And because of that, I will give you again a ice cream. Yummy ice cream. Okay, now let's go to our next slide. Oh, take a look and say penguins are birds. Penguins are birds. Okay, can you say it? Penguins are birds. Very good, Winnie. Next, can you say again? Penguins cannot fly. Penguins cannot fly. Come on, say it. Penguins cannot fly. Very good, Winnie. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, now let's go into wrap up. Okay, Beanie, can you say magpies? Okay, magpies and penguins are birds. Magpies and penguins are birds. Very good, Beanie. Okay, next. Magpies can fly. Come on, say it. Magpies can fly. Wow, very good. And penguins cannot fly. Come on, say it. Penguins cannot fly. Okay, very good, Winnie. And because of that, I will give you a lollipop. Yes, it's a sweet lollipop, Winnie. Very good. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, let's answer the question. Take a look. Where are the balloons? Oh, where's the number one balloon? Can you click it? Okay, click it. Okay, yes, very good. Oh, we have questions here. Can penguins fly, Beanie? Can penguins fly? No, yes, very good. Penguins cannot fly. Can you say it again? Penguins cannot fly. Very good. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, there's another question here. Are magpies birds, Beanie? Are magpies birds? Yes, magpies are birds. Can you say magpies are birds? Yes, very good, Beanie. Okay, let's go to our next slide. Oh, this this is our next last slide. So, Beanie, there is a question here. Do you know any other birds that cannot fly aside from penguins? Okay. Oh, okay, Beanie, thank you. So that's all, and let's end our class. So goodbye, Beanie. Okay, goodbye. See you again tomorrow. Bye.